Good morning, children. Welcome you all in our math session. Last session we have learned about even and odd numbers. Okay. Now, related to even and odd numbers, here is a math game. Okay. Objectives are to identify odd and even numbers. Then what to do here? Write the missing numbers and color even numbers blue and odd numbers red. Look here. Here numbers are from 1 to 10. In the second line 11 to 20. Then 21 to 30. Like this we have to complete these boxes from 1 to 100. Okay. Look, like this we have to complete this missing number from 1 to 100. Okay. We have to write this 1 to 100 numbers. Okay. Now we have to identify the odd and even numbers. Okay, children. And now you know an even numbers ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Okay. Even numbers ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. And an odd numbers ends with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So, you know odd numbers ends with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. And even numbers ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Okay. Now here in 1 to 100 numbers we have to see that the numbers that ends with 1. Here is only 1. So odd number. This is a odd number. 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. And you have to color odd numbers with red crayon. Okay. Look like this. Like this you have to do crayoning in odd numbers with red crayon. Okay. And color even numbers blue. Now blue numbers ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Here is 2. So 2 is even number. 4, 6, 8 and 0. Here 1, 0, 10. And this 0 is in one's column, means it ends with 0. So these numbers are even number. So you have to do crayoning blue crayons with of even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Then in second line same like 1, 1, 11 is odd number, 1, 3, 13 odd, 1, 5, 15 odd, 1, 7, 17 odd, 1, 9, 19 odd, because it's end with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Okay. So odd numbers with red crayon and even numbers that numbers end with 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0. You have to do crayoning in blue crayons. Okay. Complete this with red crayons for odd numbers and with blue crayons for even numbers. Look here. We colored here even numbers with blue crayoning. Okay. Look here. And odd numbers with red crayoning. You have to color like this, red for odd numbers and blue for even numbers. Okay, children. And after then you have to count number of even numbers. How many even numbers are there here and how many odd numbers are there here. Okay. You have to count and write. Now today we are going to learn rounding of numbers. Okay. Rounding of numbers. Look here. In real life we round off numbers to make calculation easier and faster. मीन्स क्या कि रियल लाइफ में हम क्या करते हैं, नंबर्स राउंड राउंड ऑफ करते हैं फॉर व्हाट, फॉर कैलकुलेशन के लिए जो इजी और जल्दी हो सकता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, व्हेन यू गो टू एनी पार्टी यू माइट गेस द नंबर ऑफ पीपल प्रेजेंट देयर. अगर आप किसी पार्टी में गए हो तो आप गेस करते हैं कि पार्टी में कितने लोग प्रेजेंट थे. लाइक देर आर 50 पर्सन्स आर प्रेजेंट इन पार्टी और 55 लोग थे पार्टी में. ऐसे हम अंदाज़ा लगाते हैं, गेस करते हैं, है ना. जैसे व्हेन यू ट्रैवल यू माइट गेस द टाइम टेकन टू रीच द डेस्टिनेशन. अगर आप ट्रैवल भी कर रहे हो तो आप एक अंदाज़ा करते हैं कि जैसे यहाँ नवसारी से हमें बॉम्बे जाने के लिए कितना टाइम लगता है, 4 आवर्स 5 आवर्स ऐसे, है ना. तो ये एक जो हम कैलकुलेशन करते हैं या फिर टाइम राउंड ऑफ करते हैं या नंबर्स राउंड ऑफ करते हैं, दैट इज़ द राउंड ऑफ नंबर्स. ओके. और ये राउंड ऑफ नंबर्स कैसे होता है, टू द नियरेस्ट 10 और टू द नियरेस्ट 100 और नियरेस्ट 1000 ऐसे. ओके. नाउ वी विल सी राउंडिंग ऑफ नंबर्स टू द नियरेस्ट 10. Okay. Now we will see rounding of numbers to the nearest 10. Okay. For rounding of a number to the nearest 10, check the digit at the ones place. Okay. For example, there are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. अगर उस नंबर के वंस प्लेस पे 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 ये नंबर है. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ देर इज नंबर 12, सो 2 इज हियर. ये 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 में से 2 है. अगर we have to rounding of the numbers to the nearest 10 and the ones place, if there is number 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, then we have to change this 2 into 0. okay. ones place का ये 2 है तो उसकी जगह पे हमें 0 लिखना है and this tens place as it is. This is the rounding of number to the nearest 10. Means 5 से पहले, 5 नंबर से पहले 4 है, 3, 2, 1 और 0 है, तो अगर वंस प्लेस पे ये नंबर आए 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then we have to change it into 0 and keeping the other digit same. Okay. If the digit at ones place is 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, then change the ones digit into 0 and keeping the other digits same. Okay. Let's see another example. Here is number 21 and in ones place there is 1. Means this 1 is in between 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Means ये 1 है तो ones place पे ये है. Means 21 के ones place में if there is 1, then we have to change the ones digit, this ones digit into 0 and the other digit keep the same. Means 12 का नियरेस्ट 10 10 है. ओके चिल्ड्रन. 21's नियरेस्ट 10 इज 20. नाउ हियर नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल 33. 33 मीन्स दिस वंस प्लेस 3 इज फ्रॉम 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 मीन्स 3 है यहाँ पे 3. तो वंस प्लेस पे इफ देर इज 3 then we have to change the ones digit into 0 and the other digit same. This is the nearest 10 of 33. Nearest 10 of 33 is 30. Okay. Next here 44. 4 is also from the 0 to 4. So we have to change the ones digit into 0 and the other digit as it is. Okay. Means 44's nearest 10 is 40. Okay. And now look here 10. 10 means here in ones place there is 0. So keep this 0 at it is and the another number is 10. Means अगर 0 भी ones place पे है तो keep that number. Means tens का nearest 10 ही होगा. Okay. If 20 is nearest 10 is 20. Understand children? If the digit at the ones place is 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, then change the ones digit to 0 and keeping the other digit same. Change the ones place into 0 and keep the other number as it is. Change the ones place का नंबर 0 में चेंज करो and the other digit वैसे के वैसे लिखना है. Same like here also. Change the ones place in 0 and other number as it is. When there are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 in ones digit. Okay children. Now look here. Here if the digit at the ones place is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, that time we have to add 1 to the tens digit and change the ones digit to 0. Okay. If the digit at ones place is ones place के digit अगर 5, 6, 7, 8 और 9 होंगे तो आपको क्या करना है? Here you have to add 1 tens in tens digit. Okay. 1 in 10 digit and you have to change the ones digit into 0. Okay. Let's see with the example. Here is number 15 and here in ones place there is number 5. So you have to अगर 5 ones digit में है then you have to add 1 number in tens place. Here is 1 tens and 1 tens plus 1 means 2 tens. Okay. And ones place पे आपको 0 लिखना है. कब? जब ones digit में 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 है तो आपको tens place में 1 tens ऐड करना है and then ones place पे 0 लिखना है. Okay. Now tell me, here is number 6 in ones place. It is more than 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 means 6. So we have to add 1 tens in tens place. Here is 2 tens plus 1 tens means 3 tens and 6 की जगह पे you have to write here 0. Same like here 47 in ones place there is number 7 means 5 से बड़ा है तो when there is 7 in ones place add 1 tens in tens place. Here is already 4 tens, we have to add 1 tens means become 5 tens and 7 means ones की जगह पे 7 की जगह you have to write here 0. Okay. Same like here 8, it's more than 5 So you have to add 1 tens in 6 tens. It's become 7 tens, and 8 की जगह you have to write here 7. Means the nearest 10 of 68 is 70. Okay, look here. Here is number 9. It is more than 5. So you have to add 1 10 in 7 tens. 7 tens plus 1 tens is equal to 8. And you have to write 0 in 1 digit. Okay. Now tell me nearest 10 of 15 is 20. Rounding of numbers to the nearest 10 of 26 is 30. Nearest 10 of 47 is 50. Here 30. Okay. Nearest 10 of 68 is 70. Nearest 10 of 79 is 80. Okay, children. Now you know how to write the nearest 10 of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 in ones place, and how to write nearest 10 when there is number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in ones place. Okay. Thank you.